Tonight, we're learning more details about the motions filed by Aiden Fucci's lawyers. They're asking the judge to block a psychologist from testifying at the sentencing hearing and stop any witnesses who could describe Fucci's behavior while in the Duval County Jail. Fucci pleaded guilty in February to murdering his schoolmate Tristan Bailey. News4Jax reporter Khalil Maycock joins us live now. Khalil, you spoke to an attorney not related to this case. What did he say about these motions?
He says attorneys filing motions like these are not uncommon, and he says Fucci's attorneys did this to help get their client the best possible outcome at the sentencing hearing this week. These two motions were recently filed by Aiden Fucci's defense. One is asking the judge to prohibit the testimony of Dr. Gregory Pritchard, saying in a deposition the doctor explained he could not provide a diagnosis of the defendant without an in-person evaluation. The other motion is asking the judge to exclude impermissible sentencing considerations of alleged post-arrest bad acts by the defendant. In the motion, Fucci's lawyers say they anticipate the state will introduce allegations of his behavior at the jail in Duval County, where he hasn't been tried.
These are standard motions.
Curtis Fallgetter, an attorney not affiliated with this case, says Aiden Fucci's attorneys are looking out for the best interest of their client, one who pleaded guilty to killing his schoolmate Tristan Bailey in February. Bailey, 13, was found stabbed to death on Mother's Day in 2021. Fallgetter says the reason attorneys filed to block Dr. Pritchard from speaking is because when they deposed him, he probably mentioned something that could be harmful to their case. And when it comes to blocking witnesses speaking about what Fucci did while in jail, Fallgetter says this motion could prove to be very helpful.
They have cited the Florida Supreme Court for that. There's also a Florida statute on point, and I think they're right that subsequent acts like that are not admissible for sentencing purposes.
Fallgetter says the judge could be likely to agree with that motion because it will help keep the case clean.
If the judge would allow evidence that would be improper and reversible, and an appellate court would say you shouldn't have done that, you got to do the sentencing all over again, you don't want that as a judge. You want to have a clean sentencing.
And that attorney says there could be more motions filed this week. He says that just depends on what the attorneys are feeling. Now, that sentencing hearing does start on March 21st. Now, News4Jax did reach out to Tristan Bailey's attorney for a comment. He did say that at this time, the family will not anticipate having a comment prior to the conclusion of that sentencing. Reporting live, Khalil Maycock, Channel 4, the local station.